CHAMETCHUII, I'm going to go for a while, so you stay in here, alright? Okay, Mama, I will stay in here anytime. Okay. I want to see what happens all about the TV. Hey, can you turn on? Oh, that's what must have been ringing. Let me see. Super ChamaGirl, activate! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say the word right now! Yeah, ChamaGirl! Someone ChamaGirl is here to save the day! You can't do anything! Wow, thanks, ChamaGirl! I'm Super ChamaGirl! You okay, baby? I'm not a fly! I'm ChamaGirl! Looks like you had a good dream, didn't you? But now, I could tell you had a really good one. Actors, by me.